Starting my video log. This is a build of a Argentinian barbecue. I'm making it from scratch. The table I'm using is a brick rocket stove that I built a couple years ago. It still works. By incorporating the use of an Argentinian barbecue on top of it, allows me to have a multitasking cooker of sorts. I'll be able to cook like a stove and as a grill with the luxury of an adjustable heat source. These are corner brackets that I built. It's just angle iron cut at 45s to create the base for the angle iron, which is going to form the enclosure for the Argentinian grill. These are angle irons that I cut out to create part of the base where I'm going to hold fire bricks, and that'll create my wall. Okay, so once the base is done, the fire bricks are stacked to create a border. This will also insulate the fire. Fortunately, the fire bricks fit almost perfectly. I do have a little bit of a gap right here and there, but I can live with that. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to create a brace to go on the top of these fire bricks to hold them in place. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished the upper part of the base, thus completing the frame. As you can see, the fire bricks are going to be sandwiched in between these angle irons. The sizing worked out where I'm just going to have to trim this down maybe about 1/4 of an inch. I'll just sand that off a little bit. But this allows me a solid base with fire bricks in order for me to construct a riser system for the grill, and that's what's going to happen next. Look at it. This is the finished base that's going to hold the fire bricks. It's all painted up. And now I'm going to be constructing a mount that goes on top of it, and it'll be removable, so it's not permanent. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made the bracket that's going to hold the riser, whatever you call it. So this is just a 1 1/2 inch or 1 1/4 inch angle iron by 1/8 inch, and I've cut it to fit the inside. Got it all welded up, got it all cleaned up. Now I'm preparing to weld the risers. So I'm using 1 1/4 inch square tubing. Okay, so continuing on, I've fabricated the grill plate, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be the holder that holds the grill. So I've done that with 3/4 inch by 1/8 inch angle iron. Made sure I had an 1/8 inch gap, and these are the slides that I fabricated to attach to the grill rake, and these are going to move up and down. This is what's going to be connected to the pulley system. Now I just got to clean up my welds and get this painted up. Rocket stove in operation. What is it? It's made out of bricks. This is the air vent. So there's the burn chamber right there. This is where the flames come out, and then this is where you feed your fuel down here. So just throw sticks down there. That creates a pretty good flame. Put your damper back on there, and that'll get my fire going. Hopefully. In theory, anyway.